Anna and Tom go shopping. This is a story about two friends. Listen to the story carefully and answer the questions at the end.
Anna and Tom are good friends. Last Saturday, they went shopping. First, they went to a shoe shop. Anna saw a pair of black shoes. She asked, "How much is it?" The shop assistant said, £15. Anna said, "That's cheap," and bought the shoes. Then, Tom saw a jacket in the next shop. It was £60. Tom said, "That's expensive." He did not buy the jacket. After shopping, they went to a café. They drank tea and talked. It was a fun day. Now, it's your turn. Question 1. Why didn't Tom buy the jacket? Question 2. Where did they go after shopping? Write your answers in the comments below.